Revision Part 2. Question answer description. Define cell. So these are the material reading questions, and this is also possible questions for your test. So shall we define cell? All organisms are composed of structural and functional unit of life called cells. Write a short note on cell theory. So what they said in cell theory, who formed cell theory actually? Scientist Scleden and Swan, they formed the cell theory, and they given us three important points, that is, each and every organism are composed of cells. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life, and new cells are from pre-existing already available cells. About this only they explained in cell theory, and they given exception to cell theory. What are they? One for virus and one other for acellular organism. So according to the cell theory, all the living organisms are made up of cell. Viruses are exception of this theory because virus lacks cell organization. According to modern scientists, all the acellular organism means an organism made up of without any cell. Example, some bacteria, some algae and some fungi like Monera and Protista. Difference between plant cell and animal cell. In this, you have to you can expect the questions for one word also and also 2 marks also. For that, you have to divide the questions which is possible to be in one word and possible in 2 marks question. If it is 2 marks means you can write any 3 points. 5 marks means everything you have to write. 1 marks means you have to concentrate. For an example, cell wall is present in animal cell. True or false? False, no. And plastids are absent in plant cell. False, no, because plastids are the green color pigment which is present in the leaves in order to perform the photosynthesis process. So likewise, you got to split up which are the questions are possible for 1 words and which are possible for 2 marks. Like that, you have to split up. So in the plant cell, cell wall is present, and animal cell there is no cell wall. In plant cell, vacuoles are usually large. Animal cell vacuoles are absent, and if it is present, that is small. Plastids are present in plant cell. Plastids are absent in animal cell. Golgi bodies are present in the form of unit known as dictyosomes, and Golgi bodies are well developed in animal cells. Centriole is absent in plant cell. Centriole is present in animal cell. What is the function of centriole? It helps in cell division. Now the eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells difference. So eukaryotic means the nucleus, it is a complex cell which can be found in plant and animal. Prokaryotic cell, simpler cell, which can be found only in bacteria. And in eukaryotic cell, nucleus is clear, but in prokaryotic cell it is not clear. Since eukaryotic cells are complex, double membranes are there, but in prokaryotic, single membrane only there. Ribosomes are 80S in eukaryotic cell. Ribosomes are 70S in prokaryotic cell. Several compartments are present in eukaryotic cell. There is no compartment in prokaryotic cell. Depending upon the species means different types of organisms. Depending upon the species, there are many number of chromosomes. And in prokaryotic cell, there is only one chromosome per cell. And assignment 3, list the three major components of the cell. What are the components of the cell? Cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. You learn, I know very well, but don't do spelling mistakes, okay? Don't do spelling mistakes. List down the function of cell membrane. The plasma membrane encloses the cell content. It provides shell shape. Example, red blood cell, nerve cell and bone cell. It allows the transport of certain substances in and out of the cell, but not all substances. So much it is termed as selectively permeable. We said no, it allows the water and nutrient to the other cell organelles. So that is called selectively permeable. Permeable means easily get into. Okay. And detail about fluid mosaic model. Yes, it is consist of lipid bilayer. One is protein, another one is phospholipid. Protein means 2, intrinsic protein, extrinsic protein. Phospholipid means also two are there. One is hydrophilic, hydrophobic. Hydrophilic means water attracting. Hydrophobic means water denying. And draw the structure of cell wall and explain the functions of cell. So it is protecting the cell part of the cell, and it gives shape to the cell. it won't allow the enlargement, so that it won't so that the swollen of the cell also won't be there. It will allow the passage of water and other chemical for its cell organelle. And the connection between one cell to the another cell is known as plasmodesmata. So now I will give you possible questions which can be expected for the tester. These are interior questions, okay? So possible interior 1 marks. I'll give you answers also, but I'm not giving the assurance the same questions will come for the test. Simply I have given you selectively, okay? I have referred from the material and I have given these questions, okay, for the sample questions, okay? Don't believe this one. This is simply a sample, okay? So the question type may be like this. For that only I have given this questions, okay? So the possible interior 1 marks. True or false type and match the following may be asked from eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell, and also plant cell and animal cell, okay? The differences you have to thoroughly should know, and which cell organelle is present in plant cell, which is not present in animal cell, like that. And you have to know the comparison between plant cell and also animal cell, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell in a clear way, okay? And dash is a structural and functional unit of life, cell. Dash is the longest cell, nerve cell. Dash is the elongated cell, muscle cell. The largest cell is egg of an ostrich. Who formed cell theory? Schleiden and Theodor Schwann. Which is complex in cell structure? Eukaryotic cell. Which is simpler in cell structure? Prokaryotic cell. Which is the older cell? Eukaryotic cell. Where can we find eukaryotic cells? Plants and animals. Where can we find prokaryotic cells? Bacteria. Hydrophilic is refers to water attracting. Water attracting means what? It attracts water. Hydrophobic means it refers to water repelling. Water repelling means it denies water. It is neglecting water, okay? Just opposite. Cell membrane is also called, yes, the other name like that we have studied and made up of this and all you have to find out, okay? So cell membrane is also called plasma membrane or plasma lemma. And cell wall and cell membrane, okay? Cell wall and cell membrane allows transportation of nutrients. Cell wall is made up of cellulose, pectin, lignin. Connection between one cell to another cell is done by plasmodesmata. So now I remember one more question. The connection between primary cell wall and secondary cell wall is known as is done by middle lamella, okay? This middle lamella is made of magnesium and calcium pectate, okay? So like this only you have to relate. Now I saw here connection between one cell to another cell. So that time I remember the connection between primary cell wall and secondary cell wall is done by. So like that you have to link the questions one and another, okay? Next, possible interior 2 marks question. Already you know well, in the class itself we have taught you define cell. Define cell means what? A cell is the basic unit of life. All organisms are composed of structural and functional unit of life called cells, okay? Write a short note on cell theory. Who discovered cell theory? Schleiden and Schwann. They have found the cell theory. So what is given in cell theory? All organisms are composed of cells. A cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cells arise from pre-existing cells. Cells arise from pre-existing cells, okay? Next, what are the exceptions to cell theory? One exception for virus, another one exception for acellular organisms. Next, labeling the parts. They may give you plant cell or animal cell with the label. You have to mark the parts. Next, write a short note on function of cell membrane. The cell membrane encloses the cell content. It gives proper shape to the cell. It allows the transportation of nutrient. Next, function of cell wall. The cell wall protects the other cell organelles. It gives shape to the cell. It does not allow distension of the cell. It leads to ductility of the cell, okay? Next, 3 major component of the cell. What are the 3 major component of the cell? Cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, okay? Next, draw the structure of cell wall. So these are the picture based questions. Okay, so in this they may change the question type only. Okay, so for an example, concept based questions like that. So you have to be ready for everything. Okay, so these are the possible 1 marks and 2 marks. Now possible 5 mark question. Difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Difference between plant cell and animal cell. Write about the structure of cell membrane and write about cell wall in detail. Okay, no need to repeat, no? Okay, we'll repeat. So difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Nucleus is clear in eukaryotic cell. Nucleus is not well formed in prokaryotic cell. Double membrane cell organelles is present. Single membrane is present. Ribosome 80S in eukaryotic cell. Ribosome 70S in prokaryotic cell. Several compartments are there in eukaryotic cell. There is no compartment. Many chromosomes are present in prokaryotic cell. There is only one chromosome is prokaryotic cell. Each chromosome is linear and straight in eukaryotic cell. The chromosome is circular in prokaryotic cell. Each chromosome path is double layer. In prokaryotic, it is a single layer. The meeting point of chromosome called centromere. Centromere divides chromosome into two arms. There is no centromere in prokaryotic cell, so no division of arms. Okay, this is the difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Now difference between plant cell and animal cell. Cell wall is present in plant cell. Cell wall is absent in animal cell. Instead, cell membrane is present. Vacuoles are large. Vacuoles are absent. If it is present means it is usually small in animal cell. The work of vacuoles, it is used to store food and also proteins. Plastids are present in plant cell. Plastids are absent in animal cell. The work of plastid is, it is the use in photosynthesis process. Golgi body is present in both. Centriole is absent in plant cell. Centriole is present in animal cell. So the work of centriole is cell division. Okay, so these are the possible interior questions I have, which is selectively given for you, but this is not 100%. This only will come for the test on a no. Okay, so I have given the sample questions like this. You can expect it not as the same. Repeatedly I tell you, like this you can expect, but not as the same. Okay, so once you are reading for the test means you have to read, concentrate the interior questions also, hard words, meanings also. Okay, and some questions may come from worksheet also. Okay, so go through everything and selectively read. Like for an example, plant cell and animal cell means if you completely read means you can expect the questions for 1 word also, 2 marks and also 5 marks. The same eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell also. So like this you have to read. Okay, don't do any spelling mistakes. Your handwriting is very important. And suppose you in the reading you have a problem means spelling division, you have a problem means you just split up the word and try to read. Okay, further if you have any doubt means you can ask me. Thank you, children.